Listen up. Tired of sad desk lunches, soggy bread, limp lettuce? Enough is enough. No more excuses. We're making 5 stunning sandwiches in under 10 minutes. Fresh avocados, crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and proper whole grain bread. None of that flimsy white stuff. We're building flavor, texture, and a lunch you'll actually crave. Aprons on, knives ready. This is your masterclass in sandwich artistry. Let's get to it. No messing about. Let's cook. First up, the Avocado Spinach Energy Boost, a powerhouse for your lunch break. This sandwich is not just a meal, it's a burst of energy and nutrition packed between 2 slices of bread. Perfect for those who need a quick yet fulfilling lunch option. Start with a ripe avocado. Slice, pit, and scoop into a bowl. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and provide a creamy texture that's hard to beat. Gently mash with a fork. Leave some chunks for texture. The chunks add a delightful bite to the sandwich, making each mouthful interesting. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice to keep it vibrant, add salt and pepper, and mix. The lemon juice not only adds a zesty flavor, but also prevents the avocado from browning. Toast hearty whole grain bread for crunch and structure. Whole grain bread is packed with fiber, which helps keep you full longer, and provides a satisfying crunch. Spread the avocado mash generously from edge to edge. Make sure every bite is loaded with that creamy goodness. Layer on fresh baby spinach, crisp, not wilted. Spinach is a superfood, rich in iron and vitamins, adding a fresh crunch to your sandwich. Add thinly sliced cucumber for a refreshing crunch. Cucumbers are hydrating and add a cool, crisp texture that complements the creamy avocado. Sprinkle with chia seeds for a subtle crunch and extra nutrition. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Top with the second slice of toast, press gently. Don't crush it. You want to keep all those layers intact and beautiful. Slice diagonally for that perfect cross-section. This not only makes it easier to eat, but also showcases the beautiful layers inside. Look at those layers. Green, fresh, and full of life. Each layer brings its own unique flavor and texture, making every bite a delightful experience. Healthy fats, fiber, and energy to power you through the day. This sandwich is not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious, providing you with the energy you need to tackle your day. 10 minutes for a champion's lunch. Quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. What more could you ask for? Plate it up and get ready for the next masterpiece. Presentation is key, and a well-plated sandwich makes the meal even more enjoyable. We're just getting started. Let's keep the momentum. Chop chop. Next sandwich coming up. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Next up, we're diving into the Hummus Veggie Crunch, a sandwich that's not just satisfying but also brings a symphony of textures and flavors to your lunch routine. This isn't your average veggie sandwich. It's noisy, it's bold, and it's absolutely packed with plant-based protein to keep you energized all afternoon. If you're looking for a lunch that's as fun to eat as it is nourishing, this is the one. The foundation of this sandwich is, of course, hummus. You can go with a high-quality store-bought version for convenience, or whip up your own at home for that extra touch of freshness and flavor. Either way, make sure your hummus is creamy, rich, and full of flavor. It's the glue that holds everything together. For the bread, choose a rustic multi-grain loaf. The hearty grains add depth and a nutty flavor, while a light toasting gives the bread enough structure to stand up to all those juicy veggies. You want a slice that's sturdy but still has a bit of chew. Don't be shy with the hummus. Spread it thickly, right to the very edges of your toast. This ensures every bite is creamy and satisfying, and it helps keep all those crunchy veggies in place. Next, grab a fresh carrot and grate it yourself. Pre-shredded carrots just don't have the same crispness or sweet flavor. Freshly grated carrot adds a vibrant crunch and a pop of color that makes this sandwich irresistible. Slice up a red bell pepper into thin matchsticks. These bring a natural sweetness and a beautiful red hue, making every bite a little bit brighter and more exciting. Add cucumber batons for a cool, watery crunch. The freshness of cucumber balances the richness of the hummus and the sweetness of the peppers, creating a perfect harmony of flavors and textures. Squeeze a little fresh lemon juice over the veggies. This simple step brightens up all the flavors, adding a zesty kick that makes the whole sandwich taste even fresher. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and a crack of black pepper. It's a small touch, but it brings out the natural flavors of the veggies and ties everything together. Place the other slice of toasted bread on top and press down gently but firmly. This helps the sandwich hold together and ensures you get that satisfying crunch when you bite in. Now grab a sharp knife and slice your sandwich in half. Listen for that unmistakable crunch. It's the sound of a sandwich done right, with every layer working together. Take a look at that cross-section. Vibrant orange from the carrots, deep red from the peppers, fresh green cucumber, and a thick layer of creamy hummus. It's a rainbow of nutrition and flavor, all in one bite. The best part? This sandwich comes together in just a few minutes. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just real, wholesome ingredients and a little bit of care. With every bite, you're getting a boost of plant protein from the hummus, plus fiber and vitamins from all those fresh veggies. It's a lunch that's as satisfying as it is good for you. Why settle for a bland, pre-packaged lunch when you can have something this fresh and delicious? Ditch the processed stuff. This is the kind of meal you truly deserve. Take a moment to plate your sandwich nicely. Add a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a side of extra veggies if you like. Presentation matters. It makes the meal feel special. Before you take that first bite, admire your creation. Eating with your eyes first makes the experience even more enjoyable. Ready to keep the momentum going? Let's move on to the next recipe. No slacking. We're heading straight to the Mediterranean for even more flavor inspiration. Wake up! It's a brand new day. And what better way to start than with a burst of Mediterranean sunshine right in your kitchen? Let's shake off the morning grogginess and get ready for a breakfast, or lunch, that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Today we're making the Greek-style chickpea smash, a sandwich that's inspired by the vibrant flavors and wholesome ingredients of the Mediterranean coast. Imagine the salty sea breeze, the scent of fresh herbs, and the warmth of the sun, all packed into one bite. Start by draining and rinsing a can of chickpeas. This step is key for removing excess sodium and giving you a clean, fresh base. Pat them dry with a kitchen towel. This helps them absorb all the flavors we're about to add. Grab a fork and smash those chickpeas right in a bowl. You want a chunky, rustic texture, no need for fancy equipment or pureeing. The little bits of chickpea give the sandwich a hearty bite and make every mouthful interesting. Now drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil for richness, add a clove of minced garlic for a punch of flavor, and toss in a generous handful of freshly chopped parsley. The parsley brings a bright, herbal note that's classic in Greek cooking. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This wakes up all the flavors and adds a zesty tang. Season with a pinch of salt and a good crack of black pepper. Mix everything together until the chickpeas are coated and the herbs are evenly distributed. The aroma is fresh and inviting, like a summer day in Athens. While the flavors meld, toast up a couple slices of sourdough or ciabatta. You want them golden and crisp on the outside, but still soft enough to bite through. The toast is the perfect vehicle for our creamy, chunky chickpea smash. Pile the chickpea mixture high onto one slice of your toasted bread. Don't be shy, this is the star of the show, so spread it thick for maximum flavor and satisfaction. Next, layer on slices of ripe, juicy tomato. The tomatoes add a sweet, tangy freshness that balances the richness of the chickpeas and olive oil. Add thin slices of crisp cucumber for a cool, refreshing crunch. This is what makes the sandwich feel light and summery, even on a busy weekday. Sprinkle a little more fresh parsley on top for a pop of color and a burst of aroma. It's the little touches that make a meal feel special. Place the second slice of bread on top and press gently to hold everything together. The sandwich should feel substantial, but not heavy. Slice your sandwich in half and take a moment to admire the beautiful cross-section. The chunky chickpeas, the vibrant greens, the juicy tomatoes. This isn't just food, it's fuel for your body and a feast for your eyes. Packed with plant-based protein, low in calories and bursting with flavor, this sandwich will keep you energized and satisfied for hours. Healthy eating doesn't mean giving up on taste or enjoyment. It's about making smart choices that nourish you and bring joy to your day. Every bite of this sandwich is proof that you can have both. This is the kind of lunch that powers you through the afternoon. No energy crashes, just steady, satisfying fuel to keep you focused and productive. And the best part? The Greek-style chickpea smash comes together in just minutes. Quick to make, easy to clean up, and perfect for busy days when you want something homemade and wholesome. Reset your workspace, take a deep breath, and get ready. Because next up, we're diving into another simple, delicious creation. Stay tuned. Sometimes the simplest things are the best. Tomato basil and vegan cream cheese. Use top-quality vegan cream cheese, almond or cashew-based. Soft, sturdy whole wheat bread, no toasting needed. Spread cream cheese thickly on both slices to seal in freshness. Layer with fresh basil leaves, fragrant and generous. Add thick slices of ripe tomato. Season with flaky salt and black pepper. Lay tomatoes over the basil for a vibrant Italian flag look. Top with the other slice, cream cheese side down, press gently to create a pocket of Italian sunshine, slice with a sharp serrated knife. Gentle sawing motion, admire the cross-section, creamy white, bright green, juicy red, luxurious, simple, and utterly delicious. Light, flavor-packed, and ready in 5 minutes. Tomato, basil, and vegan cream cheese, pure happiness. One more to go, don't lose focus. Let's finish strong. The grand finale, the spicy avocado and black bean wrap. Warm a whole wheat tortilla for easy rolling. Mash half an avocado with fresh lime juice and chili flakes for a zesty kick. Spread the spicy avocado mash over the tortilla. Scatter rinsed black beans for protein and texture. Add shredded lettuce for crunch and diced tomatoes for juiciness. Optional, a bit of red onion for sharpness. Fold in the sides, then roll tightly into a neat cylinder. No mess. Slice on a diagonal to reveal the colorful spiral inside. Plate with lime wedges for extra zing. Zesty, creamy, spicy, and filling. All in under 10 minutes. Perfect for busy days. Wrap it up and go. No fuss, no cutlery, just a balanced meal in your hand. The ultimate lunch for professionals. That's how you wrap up a sandwich masterclass. Let's recap. There you have it. 5 quick, healthy, and delicious sandwiches and wraps. No more sad desk lunches, just fresh, vibrant meals in minutes. Prep your veggies, keep good bread and spreads on hand, and lunch becomes effortless. Work smarter, not harder. This is how you win at lunch. Pack them up, take them to work, and watch your colleagues get jealous. You've got the skills and the recipes. Your lunchtime is revolutionized. Like, subscribe, and tell us which one you'll make first. Now get in the kitchen and make something brilliant.